follow me. Now you rockin' with the agents of CRG. Yeah, it's top secret, talk low when you speak. Got the whole squad reppin' Chatman, REALTOR. Yeah, tune in and just listen. Yeah, it's a top secret mission. The negotiator got Marky Mama, numbers a little boss in this.
How you guys doing? It is Sascha Chatman here, your Tech Jedi. Before we get started, please make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So, I want to go over something real quick, how to use Placester in Facebook to generate leads. I actually taught this class in my market center last Tuesday, and I've been meaning to make a video ever since. So let's just jump right into it. First things first, I want you to go to your website and go to listing search. Okay, yours is going to look different from mine, however it is. Now, create a search, if you will, for your clients or for the ad. So we're going to do let's say it's a buyer's ad. I'm going to create an ad just like so. I am going to search for homes. Let's call it the 76131 zip code. I know that very well. I am going to take this down to homes under $200,000 because I'm looking for first-time home buyers, right? So here's all the homes here under $200,000, okay? Now, you can just copy this link and you can take it with you. You can definitely do that. I do something different. So I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to put it in Bitly. Let me drag my Bitly over here for you guys. All right. So Bitly is it's a link shortener, okay? It's really easy to sign up for it and use, but I'm going to click on create link and I'm going to say paste it in there, and I'm going to tell Bitly to shorten the link. Exact same thing. But here's the thing, and this is really real. I've noticed in my ads that if you create a custom link and you call it something, people will click on that more than they'll click on some really long, ridiculous link. So I'm going to change that here to 7613, what do we do, 7? All right. Now let's go 200K 76137. Let me see if it's available. Nope, it's not available. I think I used that one before. That's probably why. Okay. So, and you can't use characters. So let's go 200 and just use it from that perspective. All right, there it is. I got it. Now, I have that link. Cool. I got it. I can copy right here. I'm sorry. Click on that and copy. Now, you can also just click on the link that's on your website and that'll work just fine. For example, I could just click and take that search is saved. Now let's go ahead and jump over here on Facebook. We're not going to do an ad, we're just doing a post. So let me show you something here that I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but you can do. Go to Publishing Tools. Okay, we're going to stay with Publishing Tools. You need to really learn this page, really do. And we're going to schedule a post. Not just do it, we're going to schedule a post. So we're going to create it. And we're going to take that bit.ly link, let me if I copy that we just created here, and we're going to use it in our post. So let's write something here pretty cool. Looking for a home under 200K. I've created a custom list of homes for you. Click on my link below to view. Now, let me show you how I would do something a little bit different to make this a little bit nicer. So let me just click on it here. I'm going to go to Emojipedia. Now, I like Emojipedia. I'll make a video on that one later, but perfect. And if you like emojis like I like emojis, people like emojis, right? Little smiley faces everywhere. So, boom, set a home. There's home. Here's another I use all the time. Fire. Who doesn't like fire? People love the fire emoji. I'm going to grab that one. So this is something really cool. This is a 2-for-1 video, so I don't have to do Emojipedia. Just go to Emojipedia and start using it. Okay? All right. Call me right away at, throw my number in there, 817-668-1, as these homes are Emojipedia and going fast. I don't know if there's an emoji for going fast. Now, give me some space. Nope. I gotta go back and grab the bit.ly again, right? Copy it. Let's go back to Facebook. and boom, there it is. Now, all right, so now here it is. I've made it very, very clear what I'm trying to get out of this particular post. I'm telling people looking for homes under 200K. Oh, let me add in the zip code here. And 76137. I've created a custom list for you of homes for you. Click on my link below to view. It's very straight to the point. It's engaging. I got my information, my phone number up here for them to call me, or I can just tell them message me right away. Matter of fact, if I was doing an ad, I'd throw my messaging button, but I'm going to throw in my product here, which I am selling the fact that I am a buyer's agent as well. That's it. I go to schedule here, and I pick the time. I'm going to drop this one, let's say on, the 13th is fine. I'm going to drop it at 8 a.m. when everybody's up, kind of getting itself ready. The first thing they like to do is grab their phones, and boom. There it is. I just scheduled that particular post in Facebook. So I'm actually about to go through the exercise right now of doing my scheduled post for the week. I do this like every Sunday to get ready. That's what I do. All right, guys, I'm Sascha Chatman. I'm your Tech Jedi. If you have any questions about this video, hit me up in the comments. If you're watching on YouTube, please make sure you like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. For all my Keller Williams folks watching on KW Connect, hey, make sure you follow me on KW Connect. I'm going to post a couple more videos on here that go in succession with this one, so watch this, and I'll post some more videos about engaging folks with lead forms from Facebook. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.
I was so professional and got swag with all of that business. And if they need some backup, then Little Boss is the secret weapon, yeah. Save the day, let them get you in a house. So just let them close the deal. You'll be happy, that's for real. Hey, agents of CRG.